Good morning, everyone. Thursday morning in Illinois. 33 degrees out. Working on getting the back of this truck emptied. This was my pickup the other day from the communications company, but we have a storm rolling in, so yeah, status right now is 33 degrees, low wind. Really quite nice for a winter day in Illinois. Okay, well, update, it's still 31 degrees. The snow has just started falling and it's 11 o'clock, so typical weather for late December in Illinois. Okay guys, it's now 1 o'clock. Snow is still coming down, but not real heavy. Wind is starting to pick up and we're down to 22 degrees. So we'll check her out here in another couple of hours. Okay, 3 o'clock and the fun still continues. Wind's not quite up as high as it's supposed to be, but it's blowing the snow around pretty good. I'm hearing reports that travel outside the city area is getting treacherous. So we'll check back again, and I don't know how much you'll see. The sun will pretty much be gone for 4:30, but we'll check her out later. Okay, final storm update of the night. We got a little bit of snow coming in under the door, but no big deal. But yeah, it is now 3 degrees. It is 2 degrees warmer than tomorrow's high of 1. So I'm shutting the door, I'm locking the door. I didn't get everything out of the back of the truck, but I've got a nice little stash here, satellite receivers and servers and switches to work on. So everybody stay safe if you're in the storm system, and everybody else, we will see you scrapping. Good morning guys, final weather report on this storm. 4:30 in the morning. You can see the snow that's come in under the door and the frost around the door. It's 9 below zero outside. And we got a decent amount. I would say we're toward the upper end of 4 inches. Lots of blowing. Wind still blowing. According to my news channel online, everything's closing down today. So stay in, stay warm, and we will see you scrapping.